Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving into what might just be the next big leap in compact aerial photography, the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. And trust me, if you thought the Mini 5 Pro was incredible, wait until you hear what DJI is rumored to be doing this time. Stay with me, because some of these leaks sound almost too good to be true. So, here's the thing. DJI has been setting the standard for small drones for years, but now the competition is catching up. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be DJI's answer to that challenge: smaller, faster, and even more powerful. Early insiders say DJI has pushed the limits of what's possible in a sub-249-gram drone. Imagine a drone that stays under weight restrictions but feels like a full-size powerhouse. That's what DJI is apparently going for. One of the biggest whispers floating around is about the camera. Reports say the Mini 6 Pro might pack a new 1-inch sensor. That's a big deal in a drone this size. It means more light, more detail, and a big jump in low-light performance. Think about flying at sunset, or catching the first rays of morning light. Your footage could look cinematic straight out of the drone, with less need for editing. Some say DJI is developing a new Hyper HDR video mode that automatically balances shadows and highlights in real time. But what's really catching attention is the rumor of 6K video recording. Yes, 6K. If that's true, the Mini 6 Pro could leave every other mini drone in the dust. Imagine capturing footage so crisp that you can crop, zoom, and still have stunning detail. For travel vloggers, filmmakers, or anyone shooting social content, that's huge. DJI might also improve frame rates, maybe 120 frames per second at 4K, making slow-motion buttery smooth. Now let's talk about flight time. The Mini 5 Pro already impressed with its endurance, but people are saying the new Mini 6 Pro could push past 40 minutes per charge. That's almost unbelievable for something this compact. DJI may introduce a new battery chemistry or even a slightly redesigned propeller system to improve efficiency. Some say it will have an intelligent battery management system that adapts power usage depending on wind speed and flight mode. That kind of smart tech could make every flight feel more stable, even in tougher conditions. Of course, range matters too. DJI's 04 transmission system is already solid, but there are hints that the Mini 6 Pro could bring 05, a stronger, faster, and more stable signal capable of up to 25 kilometers of transmission distance. That doesn't mean you'll be flying that far, but it means you'll get rock-solid connectivity and crystal-clear video feed, even in urban areas full of interference. For professionals who rely on perfect signal stability, that's pure gold. Then there's the design. DJI is expected to make the Mini 6 Pro even sleeker. Think lighter arms, a refined folding system, and maybe a new vent design for better cooling. It'll likely keep the same travel-friendly look but with premium finishing touches, a matte body, possibly new color options like silver or deep gray. The gimbal housing could be reinforced, too, reducing vibration when flying at high speeds. If DJI pulls that off, it'll feel like flying something way more expensive than it really is. A lot of people are also curious about obstacle avoidance. Rumor has it the Mini 6 Pro will feature a full surround sensing system, maybe 6-direction or even full 360-degree obstacle detection. That would make it the safest mini drone DJI has ever made. Combine that with an improved APS 6.0 system and you might be able to fly through forests, alleys, or tight mountain trails with much more confidence. DJI knows pilots want freedom, and safety tech is what lets you take those bold shots. Another rumor says DJI might introduce a new AI-driven flight mode. Something like Follow Me 2.0, but smarter, recognizing people, pets, and vehicles with improved tracking algorithms. Imagine jogging or cycling, and the Mini 6 Pro automatically adjusts framing to keep you perfectly centered, no matter how you move. It's like having your own flying camera operator. And if DJI integrates on-device learning, the drone could adapt to your flying style over time. Let's not forget about the controller. DJI's RC2 was already impressive, but many insiders think the Mini 6 Pro could launch with a new remote, maybe the RC3 Pro, featuring a brighter display and longer battery life. E-interface might get redesigned to show live histograms, dynamic exposure control, and real-time flight data overlays. That's the kind of upgrade pros appreciate, but it also helps new pilots get better footage without needing to tweak settings mid-flight. Now, here's something that will excite creators: better wind resistance. DJI may boost the Mini 6 Pro's Level 5 resistance to Level 6, which would make it surprisingly capable in rougher weather. Imagine flying by the coast or on a mountain ridge and still getting stable shots. That could open up so many creative possibilities without worrying about sudden gusts ruining your frame. There's also speculation that DJI is building a new low-light algorithm paired with that larger sensor. If that's true, nighttime flying will look cleaner, with less noise and more accurate colors. DJI might even include a night hyperlapse mode that stitches low-light sequences automatically. For travelers and content creators, that would mean incredible night cityscapes or starry sky motion shots, right from a mini drone that fits in your pocket. In terms of performance, some testers claim the Mini 6 Pro could hit top speeds close to 60 km per hour in sport mode. But what's interesting is not the speed itself, it's how stable the drone remains while doing it. DJI's rumored new stabilization system could use both mechanical gimbal balancing and digital horizon correction. That means smooth, cinematic shots even during fast maneuvers. Now, the big question: price. No official word yet, but industry watchers guess it'll land around $999, depending on the combo you choose. That puts it squarely in the premium mini drone market, but with features like these, it's still incredible value. DJI knows people want portability without compromise, and the Mini 6 Pro seems like the closest thing to that dream yet. Battery charging might also get an upgrade. Rumors suggest USB-C PD fast charging up to 60 watts, cutting full charge time in half. Imagine topping up in 30 minutes while you grab lunch between shoots. DJI could also bundle a new charging hub that supports parallel charging, filling multiple batteries at once. Now, think about what this drone could mean for creators. You could shoot cinematic B-roll anywhere, grab stable hyperlapses in seconds, and travel light without worrying about permits. For vloggers, filmmakers, and travelers, the Mini 6 Pro sounds like the ultimate pocket-sized production machine. And if DJI adds in drone editing or quick transfer modes to phones, it'll make the workflow faster than ever. Some even say DJI might release a new creator combo, with ND filters, propeller guards, and a smart mic that links directly to the drone for synced audio. That would make storytelling even easier on the go. Thanks for sticking around till the end. You guys make Tap Tech what it is. Make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss our deep dive when DJI officially announces this little beast. Until then, keep your batteries charged, your propellers safe, and your imagination flying high. This is Tap Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.